Welcome to Northeastern Echo. I am James. First, a look at the top news of this hour. Coronavirus has claimed 204 lives in the northeastern states. A total of 74,619 people have been affected so far, and 50,050 people have recovered. A fire accident at a COVID care hotel in Andhra Pradesh have killed 7 people. Poachers shoot rhino in Kaziranga and take away its horn. Air India Express plane crash, both pilots dead among 18 killed in Kerala. India sets up expert committee for COVID-19 vaccine procurement and distribution. I am James. Now news in detail. At least 7 people were killed in a fire at a hotel Swarna Palace, which is being used as COVID-19 facility in Andhra Pradesh, Vijayawada early today. According to Mohammad Imtiaz, district collector of Krishna, the incident took place around 5 a.m. Around 22 patients were being treated in the hospital and the entire building has been evacuated. An adult female rhino was found dead after being shot by poachers yesterday in Kaziranga National Park. 6 rounds of empty cartridges of .303 rifle were also recovered from the site. The horn of the rhino was taken away by the poachers. The carcass of the dead rhino was found at about 11 a.m. towards the north of Metaka Bill in the Gabri anti-poaching camp under Kaziranga range. A suspected poacher has been detained in Biswanath Wildlife Division and the matter is still being investigated. Inaugural function of upcoming 13 books and poems written by Mizoram Governor P.S. Sridharan Pillai was held at Darbar Hall, Raj Bhavan yesterday. In this event, Chief Minister Zoram Thangma, former Chief Minister Lalthan Haula, Justice Michael Zothankuma, Judge Guwahati High Court, Justice Nelson Sailo, Judge High Court, and Chief Secretary Pool Lalnun Mawia Chuango were among the limited invitees who had attended the inaugural function.
Now, you are close in my heart's depth. My half-broken, gloomy heart of the past, strangled by the singeing tentacles of realities, inhaling fragrant air.
Vinod, going to be released within short time at Delhi. I hope our Honorable Vice President of India would release that book. There are 36 poems in that book.
At least 18 people, including both the pilots, were killed after an Air India Express flight with 190 on board from Dubai skidded off the runway and broke into two while landing at Kerala's Kozhikode on Friday amid heavy rain. There were 174 passengers, 10 infants, 2 pilots and 4 cabin crew members on board the aircraft. In order to fight the dreaded coronavirus, India has now formed an expert committee to oversee all aspects of the COVID-19 vaccination plan. The committee comprises representatives from all concerned ministries and institutions. The said committee will be undertaking everything from identifying the vaccine, its purchase and distribution. Reportedly, the panel is led by Dr. V.K. Paul of Niti Aayog and co-chaired by Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan. You're watching Northeastern Echo News. Stay tuned.